everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the street hotel location, is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold him prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is good in case like to enjoy the surroundings. 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.